everyone and welcome to another video. So today's video is going to be an organise my wardrobe and my makeup with me because they are all in one wardrobe. So I thought I would just do them as one video. I've been looking at my wardrobe recently. I didn't even do it too long ago, but I've been looking at my wardrobe and it has just been mind-blowingly messy and it's just so stressful. Like, I go into my wardrobe and I'm just like, what shall I wear today? And then half the things in there don't even fit me, and I was just like, I've had enough of this. So I needed to get rid of some of the stuff and just figure out what actually fit me and that kind of thing. So I thought just get it all done and show you guys what I did and the transformation of it. So let's start. So this is the wardrobe before, when it was just overly messy. There's just things hanging out, things in the wrong drawers and all that kind of thing. So the first thing that I did was remove all of my clothes from the top, just so it was easier to see what was in there. Elisa was hanging around playing with things in the room while I was doing this. I'm emptying everything out, and the long dresses that I have in there I've put on the back of my bedroom door because I don't have any long dress hanging space, because I never really used to wear long dresses, so I thought, what's the point of getting one with long dress hanging space, if you know what I mean. So they're all on the back of my bedroom door right now. Elisa wanted this toy which I was hiding at the back of my wardrobe. It was an present once for Isa, but he was too small when he got it, so I hid it at the back of my wardrobe. And then I put on a talk by Mufti Menk because I've just been loving listening to talks recently, and I think Mufti Menk comes across so nicely and he explains everything so well. So I thought, why not listen to one of these talks while I'm doing this, instead of, like, you know, listening to music or whatever, like what I'd normally do. I put this one on, which is called Opportunity to Get Closer to Allah Through Dealing with Trials by Mufti Menk. So this is what I was listening to the whole time that I was doing this. And then I start sorting through all of my clothes, which honestly I didn't get rid of so many, but I got rid of the ones that were just too big for me and they just don't fit me anymore. And all the ones that I know fit me and are just nice and comfortable, I put all in this pile on the cot, and that's just going to stay there for a while I finish off doing everything else, so that I can put it in when everything's done. And then I start on the drawers. So the top one is like my loungewear, pyjamas, vest tops, t-shirts, leggings, that kind of thing. Not loungewear, the loungewear I've put at the bottom. And then I'm just sorting everything out into neater piles so that I can put everything back nicely. I'm sorting through my vest tops here to get rid of the ones with any holes in, or the ones that are too big for me, and then I put those back too. And then now I'm sorting out the bottom drawer, which has got loungewear and trousers and skirts and things like that in there. So I've put all my loungewear on the right hand side and all my jeans and trousers and skirts on the left hand side. And then it was onto the big annoying drawer with all my scarves in. This one takes so long to do because obviously folding a million scarves is just a mission in itself. So I'm just folding everything. I'm not doing it in any kind of colour order or anything. I really could not be bothered to do that today. So I'm just gonna sort them out into neatly folded scarves and put them all together. So I'm putting all my crinkle scarves along the edge, which are the ones that I use the most. And then the other ones, like the pashminas and the silky scarves and things like that, I'm just going to put around the edges. This is how many pins that came out of all of the scarves that were in my cupboard, because I just take them off and put them straight back into the cupboard without even taking the pins out. I just like bunch them up and stick them back in. Now this is the state of my makeup. Oh my gosh guys, when I'm doing my makeup I just feel so stressed out because there's so much stuff going on and everything is all over the place. There's jewellery, there's wipes, there's just random things everywhere. So I thought I would kind of sort everything out. So what I'm doing now is sorting out all the brushes and I'm putting them all into this little one basket, and I'm going through everything trying to find all the makeup brushes and also the makeup brush cleaners, which I just plopped on top of there. Next I'm going to get rid of some rubbish, and then I'm going to sort out my jewellery, which I don't have a lot of. I don't really wear jewellery very often, but it's nice to have it when I need to go somewhere nice and have a few options. So I'm putting those all together, put them on my arm to just keep them organised for a bit. And then I decided to put all my palettes into here just temporarily so that I could sort them out later. And then I'm putting like skincare and things like that into one of the boxes, and then put all my jewellery away. And then I have so many fake nails, so I'm just going to put those into the skincare box for now and see how it goes and if I should move them later or whatever. And in another basket I'm putting in hair removal things like my epilator, some razor things, and just bits and pieces that are just hanging around. I'm just sorting everything out into piles so that I can kind of organise it properly later. In this little basket here I'm putting all this nail varnish that I own. I need to go through this properly because I have so many nail varnishes. Look how cute this picture of Elisa is. Oh my gosh, she's so adorable. This was when she was like under 1. Now it's time to sort out my makeup, so I'm just sorting everything out into like my face piles. I've got a pile for my eyes, I've got lipsticks, I've got like primers and things like that. So I'm just going to sort them out into categories. I have way too many lip products, so I kind of need to cut this down a lot. I'm just going to store all of the ones that I've sorted out on the right hand side here. Now it's time to sort out my lip products, and as you can see I had some help from these little cuties, mashallah. They were passing me the lip products so that I could test them out, and they were just being so lovely and helping me out so nicely and just sitting there watching me do it. So cute. I love it when they do things like this. Elisa even passed me the wet wipes so I could wipe it off my hand. I managed to get rid of quite a few lip products, not as many as I thought I would, but I got rid of quite a few. I'm really bad at getting rid of things. Like, I just feel so attached to things even though I've had them for years, or I don't know, I just feel like I will use them one day, or I just feel too sad getting rid of them. And then Issa got really tired, so he was just having a little lie down on me. He's just so sweet sometimes, I just love it. Mashallah. And then this is how many lip products I got rid of. So the ones on the right hand side are just gonna go, and the ones on the left I'm gonna keep them. So now I'm testing out my eyeliners and seeing which ones are good, which ones aren't. And then I'm testing out my highlighters and figuring out which ones I want to keep. And then I'm putting them into my Perspex storage unit and then just putting them in. So I'm going to do them in categories. Oh my gosh, look how many of these Primark foundations I've got, it's crazy. And then I just test out all of my concealers. I get rid of one of the Primark foundations and then I decide where to put them. So I'm going to put all my face products on the top, but obviously I don't have space for them. And then I was trying to figure out where the bottom tray went and I realised it's downstairs on the worktop, so I need to get that. Now I'm going to put all of the Primark foundations lined up at the bottom. And now I'm trying to figure out where to put all of these little baskets, which I've got all of this stuff in, and some of them don't fit obviously because they're too tall. The drawer won't close with them, so I'm just trying to figure out the best place for them and how much I use them and that kind of thing. And now it's time to sort out my palettes. So I'm going to get rid of a few of these palettes because I don't really use them very much, or they're very old. So that's all done, and then I'm going to transfer my skincare into another basket and put it at the back. And now I'm going to put all my clothes back, and I'm going to do it in a kind of order where it's like longer things on the left, and then I've got like jumpers and knitted things in the middle, and then my lighter things like my t-shirt, dresses and tops and shirts on the right hand side, like the shorter ones, so that the stuff underneath has a little bit of a chance to be seen. And now I'm going to sort out some socks. The ones in my arms I'm going to get rid of, and then I'm going to put them next to my leggings and t-shirts and stuff, because there was no space on the top shelf like how I'd want it. And then I'm actually going to take down the things from the top of the wardrobe, which are things like shoes and bags. So I've taken down these 2 boxes which have shoes in, and I'm figuring out which ones I want to keep, which ones look disgusting and old, so I'm just checking them and seeing which ones I like. And then I found these Vans which were a present ages ago. They're glow-in-the-dark Vans, and I really like them, but they never really fit my feet properly, so I'm going to try them again and see how they fit, but I'm going to keep them for now. And then I put all my like makeup bags and things like that into one of the other baskets which had shoes in before, and then I'm going to just check what the other baskets have in and sort that out and then put them all back. And this is how it looks after. This is the finished product, and I'm so happy with it. It just feels like I can breathe when I open my wardrobe now, instead of wanting to hyperventilate and run away. But yeah, it looks so much better, so much clearer, more organised, and I'm so happy that I managed to finish doing this today. So that is the finished result, and I'm so happy with it. It feels so nice to just have it all done. I hope I inspired you guys to do the same. It took a while, but I finally got there in the end. But anyway, that is going to be the end of this video. If you guys are not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe. 59.9% of you guys are not subscribed to my channel. So if you guys have not subscribed yet, click on this button over here. It would make me so happy for you guys to subscribe and turn on the bell notifications, because then you will know exactly when I upload my videos, which is quite often. I upload every 2 days. That is going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in my next video.